Download any book from Google Books for free. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can download books from Google Books. So let's get into it. So first things first, just go ahead and go into google.com. You can even go to the books.google.com, but just type in your book, right? So let's say we want to download a book based on marketing, right? Or just markets in general, like stocks and stuff like that. So what I'll do is I'll just search for market and click on search. Then here at the top, we can go to more and click on books. And then here in the pioneering marketing section, we can go ahead and basically find any books we want. So this is the pioneering marketing section. And also you can go into tools and go into any document and then switch from any document to books, right? And then here, just simply select the book you want. Proceedings of the 1979 Academy of Marketing Science, Machinery Market, basically whatever you want, right? You also have some advanced searches as well if you want, but just simply click on the book you want, right? And then here you can go ahead and start reading it. Then here on the three dots, click over here on the three dots, and then here you can download the book. Some books are not downloadable. You have to go into the website to go ahead and purchase them, but most of the books are going to be able to download from that section. So for example, if I wanted to download this one, let's see if this one is downloadable. Yeah, this one is downloadable. If I click over here on this section, I can download it as PDF. This is basically a document. This is not a book, but you get the idea. Or is it a book? What about books on technology? Let's go ahead and search for technology. Here we go. So we got all these different books. Again, go into tools, into any documents, and just simply search for books. Now only books are going to pop up instead of like, documents and PDFs. So again, just simply click on the three dots and you can find them in store, or you can find them in a library and you can download them. Some are not downloadable since they're copyrighted, but most of them are going to be, available to download. So like this one, the International Library of Technology, a series of textbooks. So we click over here. This one is downloadable. So we can download it as a PDF by clicking on the three buttons. We can download it as a PDF, EPUB, or find it in store as well. It's pretty simple. So there you go. That's how you can download books from Google Books for free. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.